Much like AirPods and Samsung Gear IconX, the QCY Q29 earbuds are both wireless, but not shackled to each other via a physical wire. They're two independent earpieces that can be used together, stereo, or separately, mono, depending on your needs. The earbuds retail for between $73 and $100, depending on where you get them, making the QCY decidedly attractive from a budget-centric point of view. The Q29 model set comes with a small carrying case that doubles as a charger, allowing users to quickly replenish the earpiece's batteries when they run low. The case itself is small enough to slip into just about any pocket, and it charges via an ordinary microUSB cable. Audio quality is surprisingly great, much better than I expected for the price. While the highs are a tad muddied, though not much, the bass is strong but not overinflated, and audio rings through clearly and easy to understand. I'd compare the audio quality to that of the JVC Marshmallow earbuds. Podcasts and other spoken content especially sound great.